To secure your data and ensure privacy, a VPN encrypts your internet traffic and replaces your IP address. Sometimes it can mean a lower connection speed. If you suspect that your VPN is not running at its maximum speed, here are 5 tips to boost it. If your connection is slow to begin with, a VPN isn't the bad guy here. Run a quick test and check your internet speed with and without a VPN to know whether it is indeed responsible for the slowdown. If you have the NordVPN app on your device, go to Advanced Settings and try switching to a different internet protocol. Choose UDP for a faster connection, but be ready to accept the risk of possible instability. If you'd rather have a slower but more stable connection, go for TCP. If your router or modem is slower because of memory leaks, an old-fashioned restart will do the job of fixing it. Also, remember that connection on a router is generally slower than connecting to VPN directly from your device. If you choose a server that is geographically distant from your actual location, it could slow down your internet speed. Connecting with a closer server may help lower latency and increase your VPN speed. Wi-Fi is awesome, but you have to be prepared to lose some speed, especially if you connect multiple devices to the same network. Wireless connections use a shared channel to transmit data to many computers and phones in your home, which can slow down your speeds. For more information about online privacy, don't forget to subscribe to the NordVPN YouTube channel.